In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Logitech G29 driving force to the PlayStation 5 in 2026. This setup is very simple, but you need to follow the steps carefully so everything works properly. First, connect your Logitech G29 to the PS5 using the USB cable. Plug the wheel into one of the USB ports on your PS5 console, and also make sure the pedals are properly connected to the wheelbase. Next, switch the wheel's mode to PS4-PS5 compatibility mode if your model has a mode switch. Then turn on your PS5 and wait for it to detect the device automatically. In most cases, the console will recognize it as a racing wheel controller. Now go to your PS5 settings and open Accessories, Controllers, Steering Wheel Settings if available. Here you can adjust sensitivity, force feedback, and button mapping for better control. After that, launch a racing game that supports steering wheels, such as Gran Turismo or other compatible driving games. The wheels should now work automatically in-game. If it's not working, try reconnecting the USB cable, restarting the console, or updating your PS5 system software. That's how to connect Logitech G29 to PS5 in 2026.